Your man, he was laid back. Now he'll come to you. He'll be attracted towards you. He'll be magnetized to you. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, one of the core reasons women tend to attract feminine men in their lives, men who don't lead, is because they themselves are in their masculine energy. Now, we all have both the energies, masculine as well as feminine, and we require both of them. For example, when a person is more feminine, they are more in their flow state. And when they are more in their masculine, they are more in a structured state, a structure, organized way of living. So, what we need is we need both. We need our masculine energy to provide a container for the flowing feminine energy. So the feminine is very creative. She has all these ideas. But what brings it into form is our masculine energy. So we need both. Sometimes our feminine energy is in the wrong areas. It is overflowing in certain areas, and our masculine energy is overflowing in other areas. Where you need structure, you are flowing, and where you need flow, you have a lot of structure, a lot of limitations. But let's talk about this one trait that we tend to have as very nurturing, loving women. We tend to mother our men. We want to take control in the wrong areas. That is where your masculine energy is taking charge. Instead of taking control of his life, you need that control in your routine. And when a person is very controlling, but controlling in the wrong areas, that is, your energy is flowing outward, leading your man instead of leading your own life. So there is a balance of masculine and feminine, but the masculine is in the wrong area. So bring that focus back to yourself. You need structure in your own life. You need flow in your own life. Flow in terms of creativity, in terms of nurturing, and structure in terms of your routine. When you wake up, when you eat your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, when you sleep, that's a routine. If you notice yourself mothering your partner, let me take care of him, let me guide him, let me be the leader in this connection, that is when your energies are in the wrong place. How to get it back? If you are too much of a mother, that means you are an empath like me. You like to love a lot. You're very nurturing. You want to take care of someone. And when you see that they are not going as per your vision, you try to control them, and that never works. When you are the masculine controlling the relationship, then your partner will take the form of feminine energy. He would sit back and relax and wait for you to take charge. And if you don't want it, you need to bring that focus back to yourself. One of the ways you can do is, now it is not bad that you are a very nurturing, loving kind of a person, that you want to give so much love outside. Bring that love here in your hobbies. And if still you want something else outside of you, one of the ways is, even I have got this thing for myself. Let me show you. This is the new addition in my house. This is a jade plant, Jadu. So, this is my companion for now. Not that I'm a desperate person who needs a companion, so I am relying on a plant or an animal or anything that you want to devote yourself to. People like to involve themselves in gardening, they are their companions. Some people like to have cars, they are their companions. Some have animals, dogs, cats, they are their companions. So, when you have a lot of love to give, rather than controlling your partner or trying to make him believe that I love you so much, you can direct that extra love, that extra care into plants or animals or your kids. So, I got this. This is my partner, Jadu. So, I take care of this. I take care of my own health. I take care of my skin, my body, my hair. I focus on my hobbies. So, what you are doing is all that energy that you were directing at another person. Now you are taking it back. You already have some amount of energy directed towards another person. You don't need all of your energy directed only at one person. That is not you. You need it back to yourself. By bringing that energy back to you or directed towards something you love, what you are doing is you are directing your mothering nature in the right direction. So your partner does not feel pressured with so much expectations, with so much control. When you direct your energy in the right direction, I'm not saying that change yourself, uh, don't love people, put up walls in front of them. Don't do that. You are a loving soul, and that is an amazing trait that you have. Not everybody has it, or they don't know about it, but you do. You have it. Love should never be controlled that, OMG, I'm so loving, people are using me, so I should stop loving. No. Love. Love yourself. Love the people who truly love you. Love plants. Love animals. Direct your energy in the right direction, and this will help you transform your relationship. Your man, he was laid back. Now he'll come to you. He'll be attracted towards you. He'll be magnetized to you. Now he'll be the leader again, and you'll sit back because you have taken charge of this one trait. Your energy is directed in the right direction. If you like my content, which I hope you do share, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.